Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be putting these up. These are some bare root physalis Chinese lanterns. As you can see there, only £2.50. We'll get these open and let's have a look at them first. First of all, I'm using these. These are second-hand pots that I bought off eBay a couple of years ago. Really good value from a garden centre. No need to buy new pots at all. So yeah, using this peat-based compost, as you can see, really good quality, really light, airy, got a little bit of feeding. It'll do a job really well, that. Let's just set this camera up, shall we, folks? Hope everybody's keeping okay. It's been a really windy day here in sunny South Yorkshire. It has been blowing a gale, let me tell you. Get that round there like so. Say hi, monkey. Say hi, monkey. There it is. Hi, monkey. So yeah, let's get these open first. I ordered these online. I normally like to buy my bare root plants when I can hold them and touch them and find out what condition they're actually in. So let's just get these out gently. As you can see, these, all these are is just 5 sections of roots. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Take that out, it's good quality compost, I can use that. So yeah, as you can see there's a shoot on that one, a shoot on there, and a shoot on there. No shoot on that one. So what I'll do with these, I'm going to use these pots, fill them up with compost first. Put these out of the way slowly. Just fill these up with compost like so. And then all we're going to do then is just plant them like so. Cover that one. This one, that sort of angle should be fine. I shall put 3 in this one. If you're not sure about which side they should go, what I tend to do is just plant them flatly on the top. If you do that, plant them flatly on the top, they will turn round to show you where the shoots will come from. Once they're in this like so, all you need to then give them a water. You want them 1 centimetre or so deep, you don't want them too deep. Give them really good water like so. And they want to be, I put them on the top of my bench there. I'll actually put these, give them a really good start. Just come around here. I'll actually put these on here under my lights. So that should give them the best start possible. So yeah, that's basically how to plant your Chinese lanterns. Couldn't be any simpler. The bare roots, like I said, just lay them out flatly and they will find their own way to the top. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. Please give me a like. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.